Okay, like I said, I need to get back to my chores, but they're distracting. They distract me. The red zone has a mean, authoritative guard. Oh, there's two there now. No, no, there's still just one at the very top. Perched up high and looking low. Like he thinks he's a god. He or she, I don't know. The red zone, green zone, more open. Typically has 1 to 3 or 4 feeding at a time. They usually do it, they start like this, one across from the other, and then one will make another third or fourth or fifth even. But right now it's just those two. Well, we're being deluged again, man. But okay, I really need to get back to work. See y'all later. Stay safe out there. This is the Kerrville area. We're outlying Kerrville. We're not near the river part of Kerrville. Hallelujah. And we're uphill, very high uphill. So I got work to do though. A lot of rain. Talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for prayers and comments and all that good stuff. Bye for now.